John Wyrick here. Very excited to get started talking to you guys here today. Some of my favorite customers that I worked with or partnered with during my time as a rep were electrical contractors, electrical suppliers. They are a big part of the user base we've got here. Payday is certainly everybody's favorite day in the industry, whether you're an employer or you are a project manager or AR specialist waiting on a check. One of the big things that we talked about earlier, and we'll take a look at here in a moment, is lien waivers. And I know when I've spoken to electrical contractors, especially larger ones in the past, lien waivers can be a pain because they usually have different phases on a project. And so when a party is on a job and then off a job and then on a job and off a job, it can get a little concerning or a little confusing about what types of lien waivers are needed to be exchanged. We specifically work with one electrical contractor here who was having to send waivers on their own behalf, and they were regularly having to track down waivers from their suppliers or from equipment rental companies that might have been utilized. And as you can see, they had a lot of the same headaches that we see. Hard to tell where paperwork was, hard to generate paperwork at scale and keep it organized. And that's, again, where Levelset came in. So we have something called the document inbox or toolbox that we can look at in a moment, but making sure that when a check is literally being handed across the table or is in the mail, making sure that waivers are in place is going to be key to ensuring that there's no unnecessary drags or unnecessary risk taken on when a contractor or supplier is getting a check to cash. So big element that we help with as well. Like I said, we're focused on the lien rights management process here today, and that specifically has to do with some of this paperwork we have covered. Prelims, researching who's on your job, and making sure that waivers are covered. Well, guys, I hope this was helpful. I highly recommend that you check out levelset.com and either request a demo or otherwise fill out some of the information there to get a call. We got a team of folks standing by who would love to help with anything from a quick question about a project to some more questions about the system itself. With that said, y'all, thank you very much. And again, we hope to hear from everybody soon.